Using the myIKONN mobile app. The myIKONN app allows you to operate all IKONN-compatible accessories directly through your phone or tablet. You can hear measurements read out loud and view the numbers on a larger screen. To begin, download the myIKONN app from the Apple App Store. Once the download is complete, open the app. To add a new product, locate the plus button in the top right corner of the home screen and tap it. This will start a search for nearby IKONN products. Ensure that the products you want to add are turned on and placed near your phone or iPad. You can search for and add multiple products at the same time. If you have audio feedback or Voiceover Talkback enabled, you will hear a sound when a device is discovered.
Room thermometer.
When the app finds nearby products, confirm them by ticking the checkbox next to each one. Once you have selected the products to add, click the Done button. The new products will appear in the products list on the home screen. To delete a previously added device, swipe left on the product entry to reveal a red trash bin icon. Tapping it will remove the product from the list. To use a product, simply tap its name on the product list and ensure it is turned on. The measurements are displayed in large format in the middle of the screen. Turning your device on its side gives an even larger display of values. Updated values are read out automatically when a reading device changes.
Object temperature, 20.1 degrees.
For some products, such as the room thermometer or blood pressure meter, there may be multiple measurements, such as temperature and humidity or blood pressure and pulse. The screen will switch between the readings every few seconds.
Indoor temperature, 20.8 degrees. Humidity, 31%.
Unless you have Talkback Voiceover enabled, you can mute the audio output at any time by tapping the Mute/Unmute button in the upper right corner of the display screen. If you didn't hear a measurement, tapping in the middle of the screen will repeat it.
Indoor temperature, 20.9 degrees.
In the bottom left corner of the display screen, there is a graphic representing the connection status. If your device is turned off or goes out of range, the icon will switch into search mode, followed by disconnected mode if your product cannot be found. In this case, the last reading will still be displayed on the screen, but may be outdated. In the Settings tab, you can customize the display by selecting the color combination that works best for you. Return to the home screen and select a product to see your change applied. myIKONN is fully compatible with accessibility features and works with Voiceover or Talkback mode enabled.
Double tap to open. myIKONN, My Products, heading.
Voice control is also supported on iOS devices. For additional support, visit the ikonn.info website. Thank you for watching.